In case you're experiencing a lag on your Samsung device, especially after the One UI 8.5 software update, here are a few settings you can change to help improve performance. First, open your phone settings, go to Display, then select Motion Smoothness. Here, change it from High to Standard, then tap Apply. This reduces the refresh rate, which makes the phone feel more responsive. Next, go back to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, then tap Vision Enhancements. Here, turn on Reduce Animations, and while still there, also enable Reduce Transparency and Blur. After that, head back to Settings once again, scroll to About Phone, then tap Software Information. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times until Developer Mode is enabled. Once that's done, go back to the main settings menu and open Developer Options. Scroll down to the Drawing section, and by default, all the animation scales are set to 1x, so all you have to do is turn them off, including Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. After making those changes, restart your device and this should fix the issue.